All right, folks, so Desert does it again. In the previous video, I had a 2015 Ram 1500. Issue I had with that was that the seats were a little bit flat, and I wanted a little raise in the front so I have support for the thighs. I changed it, and it made the ride so much more comfortable. Definitely good for long trips. Well, the 2013 Highlander, you can take a look, kind of has the same problem. I mean, it's just flat. It might be that the seat's a little worn out, but I don't know. It feels like you're flat going forward a little bit, even though it shows like this on an angle. So I got on their website. They didn't have a listing for it, but I reached out to their customer service, sent them pictures, and they said, hey, they said they're fairly confident that the ones that they use for the Highlander, not the Highlander, the RAV4s should work. So that's what we ordered, and that's what we're going to try. So once again, $100. They're a little proud of it, but they send you a Swedish fish, so that's kind of nice. Well, let's open this thing up. Let's find me a knife. Knife, where are you? They give you the bolts, and these kits are like extremely easy to install. I mean, the one on the Highland, the one on my Ram took like 10 minutes. Hopefully this one should do the same. So I'm gonna put the phone down and get this thing apart. So these, if not mistaken, they're designed to give you 1.5-inch lift in the front, which is awesome, which gives you comfort. Heavy duty bolts. I mean, these things are hefty. They're not cheap. So before we do that, let's go to the SUV. And where we're going to start is the back. See if I got something metal. Bingo. Let's get these things out. Now these are 14. Hopefully this little impact should be able to do it. Just like so. Now I don't want to take these out completely. Just want to loosen them so the seat can rock back. These plastic covers, they pull out pretty easy. I had loosened them previously. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. All right. So it's in. Just like so, and that'll give me the room to rock back. Now for the front seats, let's push this all the way back. And this is why I hate power seats. They take forever. Waiting. All right, these pop out just like so. Same thing on this other side. These should be 14. And we do want to take these off. And our seat should tilt back just like so. Now I'm hoping this should work. Like I said, these make a big difference on your seat and ride quality just because of the angle. Now, to lift it back, I think what we want to do, just like so. Oh yeah, these are going to fit. That is nice. And the other side, just like so. Nice. Now on the other side, if you kind of look over here, there's a centering pin, and that's going to go right down there. Keep that in place. It doesn't have it in the front. The original bolts are going to go on the bottom of the bracket, just like so. So let's slide this in. Just like that. Pop that one in. So the original bolt's on the bottom. Just get that started. Same thing over here. Now, of course, I will take this out. I just want to make sure everything fits properly. you would want to torque these and put some Loctite on that. But for now, let's just make sure everything fits as it should. Get this started like so. Get that started just like so. Now, tighten this down, 15. Now we'll go in the back and tighten the rear. Now to move this forward, waiting, waiting, waiting. Come back in here, you get the point, no need for extra lighting, 14. Like I said, torque these down, maybe a little Loctite. And we can slide the cover in, just like so. But as you can see, our seat has more lift. Let's see how it feels. Let's grab this out of here. And oh yeah, that feels a lot better. Now let's move forward. Now, although this seat does have adjustments for the seat to go back and up, down, all that stuff, this definitely gives it that comfort factor. And you sit a little higher. So Desert does it again. It is good to know that if you have a 2013 Toyota Highlander and you want to make the seat feel a lot more comfortable and enjoyable for long trips, you can get their kit for the RAV4 models of the same year, and it fits perfectly. I'll definitely send them an email and let this know. So hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you're looking to get your vehicle more comfortable, definitely check this out. And this is not sponsored, just my own opinion. Thanks for watching.